This one got smacked in the back, ripped open. I have a Nissan Juke up here on the frame rack. This one got smacked in the back. It destroyed this rear body panel. You can see it's crushed all here, ripped open. Pushed in on this side as well, not quite as bad. So this one's going to be getting a new rear body panel. Then once I get it cut off, I'll have a little bit of repair work to do on the frame ends, but it's pretty minor. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this.
Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Road Tech. Road Tech is a new innovative company that just won the SEMA Show 2024 Best New Tool Award. Guys, you don't have to pump anymore. All you have to do is you just push a button. It's really as simple as that. These are battery-powered 20-volt e-jacks, and it works great if you don't have much space in your garage, you don't have space to swing a jack handle, or you're going way up underneath a vehicle and you barely have any swing with the jack handle. You could get these with big wheels, or they're also available with caster wheels, just depending on what surface you're working on. They also have long reach jacks, which is what you see me using right here to go way up underneath a vehicle. I'll be honest, guys, I will never use a traditional jack again. After using this, there's no way I can ever go back. Go to shoproadtech.com and get yours today.
So I have this one all fit together. I just want to make sure the lift gate was shutting and latching properly and the tail lights were lining up good. I figured they were, but I just want to double check. So this one's ready to weld together. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lift the tail lights back out, lift the weather strip off, cover everything back up, take this bar off, and I will get this rear body panel welded on and get this one finished up and over to our paint shop.